I have heard stuff. Today, I want to become a plushie, but I don't know how to become a plushie. We have Robux and Brookhaven. So, today we're gonna look. Today, we're going to look for any plushies. And don't worry about my background sounds. Okay, let me change to my normal avatar. Be good. Alright, I want to make it avatar right quick. So let's just zoom and then wait, and y'all will see me back while looking for a plushie school. Okay, y'all, today we're gonna look around in Brookhaven first. So there I have it. And I hope y'all like my avatar. Ah, they took. Girl, you the one that picked me. What? Everybody stole her air. Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna see, kind of look at some problems. Next time, move your brown car. What does she say? Ooh, come on. Oh, she's going after somebody. I gotta follow them. With me. What is this? What is it? Is it just me, or is he short, or is it me that's just tall? You know what? I should rob somebody. Like, I have never ever come or comp did that before. That always get caught. There's somebody there. There's somebody in the house. Okay, so oh, you gotta be. That, is that her house? Somebody's in here, so let me wait. No. I meant to click home camps. Ooh, look at that house. Wow, this girl. I am so. Is that? Oh, this girl. I am about to go back and get my revenge. Whose house is this? Whose house is this? 1, 2, 3. Where's this girl? Where is that one girl? 1, 2, 3. Let me go. Where's 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. I am so trying to get her reported. Ooh. Report. Like, guess what? Somebody was being racist to me in a game, and then I got copied by the same person. And because that's the same person, that is the same person. I am family reporting her. I am so done with her. And that was because of my skin color. There's literally drama. Okay, y'all. I think this is probably gonna be my shortest video, but let's play Mic Up. Can we please? I'm very thankful for how much subscribers I have, but our goal is for me to be able to go live. Okay. I literally checked the group. What? I just got disconnected. Where I was about. My gosh, Thank you for watching. Our new goal is to attempt me to go live. Like I said, I will tell the sponsor after I finish falling down the stairs. Like, oh, people are coming up. Okay, let's have it. So, oh, this might be copyrighted. I don't know if it's copyrighted or not. So, thanks for watching. Let me just get choice of whoop. Ready, set, woo. Y'all, when I went up to this tower, I was halfway there. But guess what? I fell out the window. So let me just talk about my sponsor. My sponsor is Toca Boca, cause it's a very fun game. You can make your own characters and stuff. So please go check out Toca Boca. I'll show you an inspiration at the end of this video. And also, anybody that puts the secret pen pass, guess the animal emoji of the day by commenting it or typing the name with emoji I to get penned. I will pen the first comment that I see it with it. So make sure if you're the first comment and you have a guess, if you're the first comment, put your number by it, okay? So I can know who was the first one when I go through the comments. And bye. I'm not showing the demonstration of Toca Boca. You know what? Let me try something. Let me show you. Let me show you guys a cool trick. You are not allowed to date someone who is either 2 years younger than you or 2 years older than you, even though you guys are both adults. If you are a celebrity influencer or clout chaser, okay, if you go down here, let me show you guys something. Let me just do this. Oh, she probably saw it. You'll see the dream room. See? This is how to unlock the new gravity badge. And if you unlock no gravity room, go up. Y'all have to wait until I go up. Let me go up after. Then, ta-da! You fell down the stairs exactly into his. Oh, Charlie! Oh my gosh, Charlie from this. Oh, that's not Charlie. And bye. Thank you for watching your wig.